Welcome back to new exercise in SolidWorks. In this exercise, we are going to model this simple 3D object. So let's start with, okay, we are going to start with this base. You will see here. Now here many things are shown like variables, global variables, A 200, B 150, C 18, D 88, E D by 2, X D by 2 minus 10, Y D by 2 minus 10, minus 20. This is the XY. See, these radius are XY. Now here these are B and the thickness here showed in C. And the diameter D, this is the diameter of D. Then E, we are going to use E, this is the E. Okay, all alloy steel is the material, all dimensions are in millimeter. So let's start with this. Here B, see this diameter D, E section, then this is 84 and this one is A, and this corner 20 corner radius 22.5. Then the thickness C means 8 millimeter, and this corner 20 and this corner also 20. These are the fillets, and even this corner also 20. So we have to start with any one plane. So I am going to choose top plane. Click here sketch, or just go to sketch and choose sketch. Now let's activate line tool. Now start from here horizontal. Now once you go back to the point and see, it is automatically convert into arc. Draw one some semicircle like this. Here we have little taper, so keep this one. Okay, let's like this. Even though, let's create here also half circle. Go back to the point and see, it's going to convert into arc. That's it. Now again, make sure it is activated. Now connect this point to this point, escape and click this construction line. Okay. Now before going to add dimensions, we are going to insert some equations. See here equations. Now global variables. Now global variables, let's say click on this box, select A, press tab key in keyboard, and here we have to put the dimension, that is 200 millimeter. Again press tab key. The second one, click second box, hold shift key, B, tab key, and this similarly we have to put all the dimension 152, again tab key. Now here insert C, tab, and C dimension 18, again tab, D, insert, tab key, this one is 84, tab, E, tab key, and here we have to choose here, click global variable D by 2, press tab key. Now here say hold shift key X, tab key, shift key I am going to hold because I want to put all alphabets in capital. Now here again go to this variable and here choose D by 2 minus 10, tab, click this one, here insert Y, press tab key in keyboard, from variable choose D by 2 minus 20, press tab key, that's it, say OK. Now activate smart dimension. Now first dimension from here to this center point. Okay, before going to center point, just click this point tangent so that you will get perfect shape. Now activate smart dimension. Now here click equal to on keyboard and you will see these options, global variable, say A. Okay. Now similarly for this is the B, so click press equal key in keyboard, you will see global variable B. Okay. Now similarly for this, equal global variable D. Okay. Now this one, the last one, equal global variable E. Okay. Now this distance 84. 22.5 is the radius. Now this is going to be a fully defined sketch. Okay. Now extrude. Now this thickness, so here select equal to on end condition, keep blind, here choose equal to, global variable choose C. If you click, see, it is changed thickness. No need to change anything else here, say yes simply. Now first let me define material. So right click on the material not specified, right click, edit material, and from here we have to choose, like let's say alloy steel, apply, close. Look, the alloy steel is applied. We will apply alloy steel at the end. Now okay, this is a good visibility. Activate fillet, constant size fillet, symmetric, and here radius 20, and we have to choose these two, 1, 2. If you rotate, you will see. Similarly this corner. Okay, look, there is a 2 holes, 20 dia, this is also 20 dia, and this location of this hole is the just center of this corner. See, then we have to extrude this face 40 by 40, and how long we need to extrude? 38 millimeter from bottom. So this face 18 means 20 millimeter from this face. Okay. Now here you will see a hole, and this hole, it's a countersink hole. You will see this arrow, 12 diameter throughout hole, 20 the diameter of this countersink, 90 degree. If you see in section view, look, this is a kind of hole. Then even, okay, let's do this first. Select this face, sketch. Now activate circle tool. Now hold shift key and you will find center point of this 20. Similarly choose here 20. Now select this and this, concentric. That's it. See, the location is perfectly extruded cut, and keep here end condition through all. Select this face, sketch. Now I am going to activate line tool. Now there is a point, start from here so that we don't need to do some more operations. Connect up to here. Now click on this edge and click here convert entities. So no need to draw. Activate smart dimension 40, 40. The corner fillet 10 millimeter. So select this end, say OK, cancel. Now 38 millimeter from this edge. So this already this edge, this thickness is 18 millimeter. Activate extruded boss base feature. Now here keep end condition blind and let's say 38 minus 18. It's 20 millimeter. Say OK. Look. Go to hole wizard. Here activate countersink hole, isometric flat head screw. Okay, the main thing we have to click this show custom sizing. Here we have to put all the dimensions. 12 millimeter is our main diameter, the diameter of countersink 20, angle 90, and we will keep end condition through all. Position, select this face and keep cursor near and you will find a one center point. Escape key to out, just rotate and you will see the preview. Say yes. Look, let's make this diameter 8 and these also are the cutouts. Rx, x you have to find d by 2 minus 10, y d by 2 minus 20. Okay, 30 degree is the position, 4 number of instances, and if you see this side view, height of this d means 84 millimeter, d actually 84 millimeter, and there are cutouts and there is one rib 74 from this corner 54, and if you see thickness 10. Let's do this. I'm going to start from back. Sketch, activate, keep cursor near here, activate smart dimension and this dimension. Now click equal to global variable d, say OK. Click extrude. Reverse, even in blind condition, that is also place equal to global variable d. Keep merge result, say yes. Look, now select top face, sketch. Now let's activate center line. Draw one center line from this point to center, then this point. First defined 30. Mirror entity, mirror this line, make sure you selected copy, mirror about this line, say yes. Now activate here center point arc. Start from here. Now move your cursor and click this line to this line. Once you orange means it is intersected with this line. Again click. Again see this line become orange means it is going to intersect with this line. So click, start and end up to this line. Exit. Line, activate line tool and close this. Close. Escape key to out. Now smart dimension. Now this one we have to define. Equal to. Now this is y. So y dimension, this is x. So first variable d divided by 2 minus 10. Say OK. Similarly for this, equal to, choose here variable, global variable d divided by 2 minus 20 millimeter. Say OK. See, this is fully defined. Now let's make multiple instances. So keep here circular sketch pattern. Now here choose this 1, 2, 3, 4, and even though select this is construction line so that we will get a perfect thing. Now here delete, clear and select this point as a center of origin. Equal spaces keep 360 degree. 4 number of instances we need, rest keep as it is, but must make sure you selected equal spaces. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Extruded cut. Look, now here select through all, say OK. Look how the holes are created. Now here we have to create a rib and first we have to create a plane. So there are many ways, so I'll choose plane and I'm going to choose this center point. See this center point, this center point. If you move your cursor and select any bottom center point, but make sure this mid one. Now you will see going to create a parallel plane or center plane. Say okay, sketch line. Now start from, make sure it is merged with this line, to make sure it is going to merge with this line. Now distance from outer edge 54. Similarly, distance from bottom is 74. This is fully defined sketch. Go to feature and activate drip tool. Check the direction, it's toward body, perfect. Keep thickness both sides we want to divide equally, 10 millimeter, rest keep as it is, look. Click and hide the plane. Now let's make another body. Now this one, you will see this diameter 28, 75 distance from bottom, and from this corner to center of this hole it's 25, okay. Then the thickness you will see here C means 18 millimeter. Then later we have to extrude this, and one direction 58, another direction 5 millimeter, because this is our face, okay. Then 20 by 5, it is actually a chamfer. I will show you how to apply this chamfer 20 by 5, just remember. And this corner radius 5. Then there is a hole cutout, 4 millimeter is center distance, 12.5 is the hole. So I am going to choose this face, sketch, activate line tool, and let's create a closed geometry. Go back to the point and your line will be converted into arc. Somewhere here, connect. Again, you will see, you will find a yellow line, means this is the center point. Just drag and click, you will see this center point. Click this center point, escape key, click construction line, again click vertical. Now let's try to make one more relation. Hold shift key, this line, this line, this line, and leave shift key, and you will see option make symmetric. Symmetric, say okay. Let's apply dimension. 28, 75, and distance from this point to this point 25, and this vertical length 55. That's it. Now activate extruded boss base feature, reverse direction. Now here this is actually C, so simply press equal to global variable and go to C. Now click somewhere and you will see the thickness. Say yes. I'll choose this face, sketch, again activate circle, and I'm going to draw one circle, and this diameter also 28 into 2. Now hold shift key, select this edge and this circle and make relation. What relation? Concentric. Look, that's perfect. Now we have to move in two directions. Activate extruded boss base tool. Now this is one direction. One direction is 5 millimeter. Now come down and choose direction 2. This is also end condition. The first end condition 5, second end condition we will keep blind, and 58. Look how it's going to move. 58 one side, 5 millimeter one side. Look. Now if you choose edge, you will see two options, fillet and chamfer. Now here one option called distance. See here, click distance. Here edge selected, tangent full preview, and here choose asymmetric. One is 5 and one is 20 millimeter. You will see 5 millimeter means from here to this point 5 millimeter, and the length is 20 millimeter. You will see here, even though you will see here also. Look, sketch, activate circle, radius 12.5 into 2, activate corner fillet, draw one center line, now make few relations, hold shift key, select this line and this edge, tangent, this point and this line coincide. Hold shift key, select this line and these two lines, leave shift and you will see this option symmetric. Activate dimension and the center distance 4 millimeter. But here too many lines are there, so let's trim. Click trim entity, power trim. Just move your cursor slowly. Now here shows keep trim entity as construction line. If I am going to move trim, see, it is a construction line going to be remain. So no harm to keep construction line. Because if you delete this, maybe it lost some relations and it will show undefined geometry. So better to keep construction line so that we will maintain the constraint or this relation. Okay. Extruded cut, because this is closed geometry, see, this is automatically choose. Keep here, either choose all. If we choose all means this is the end part of the body, see. So it's going to cut up to end of this, otherwise select up to next. Up to next means this is the next face of this. Select this edge, fillet, keep constant size fillet, symmetric option, and here radius 10 millimeter. Even though from back side also you can select the edge. That's it. Now here you can apply the material. Edit material, alloy steel, apply, close. Look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.